In the last three demo, we focused on the data modeling, and we have created a book author view as well as a data flow to combine the sales order or the sales order into the local table and generate time data and to create a time view. Now we have complete the data modeling part. From now on, we're moving on to the business modeling. For the demo number 4, I would like to show you how to create a dimension based on this book author view with the business builder. Let's look at the system together. To start with the business modeling, we'll navigate to the business builder and then select the space. With the business builders, and you can create a such as the dimension, ethical data set, and fact model, consumption model, and authorization scenario. We have went through the scenario one by one. Now, let's create a new dimension by click the new dimension. And then we will select the book author view as the data entity. Let's give it a name. And then you'll pop up the option because in the view we have specified the view the usage semantic usage type as a dimension. Therefore, it having we have defined the attribute there. So you have the option. Would you like to copy all of the property you have defined in the data entity? In this case, let's say yes. And as a result, as you can see, it has populate all of the fields we have defined in the view in this case, as well as the key. And then you also can define the association. In this case, we don't have any association because we already joined the book and author on the view level. And then we just need to make sure to check the checkbox allow public access. And then we make sure, let's preview the data. I would like to see it, let's say the book ID, book title, as well as the publisher as well. Let's see how the data look like. And then you can also apply some filter. Let's say I would like to see all of the books by round down. And then as you can see, let's show the result. And as you can see, even Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, it has been published by many publishers here as well with the different ISBN as well. So here you can preview the data. If the data all looks good for you, you can set the status into ready to use. Okay, as a result, our book author dimension has been ready to use.